Alright, just a review on Pemdas. Now let's think again what Pemdas stands for. It's our order of operation. That means this tells us, regardless of where we are in the world, how to do a mathematical problem. What order we do, what we do first. Alright, so this is telling us, well, this is the P, it stands for parentheses. E is exponent, M multiplication, D division, A is addition, S subtraction. Now multiplication and division are an even Steven, is what I call them. They're equal to each other. They're equal partners. Alright, so if you come across a multiplication or a division first, just go left to right. You don't have to do this first, you go left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction. They're an even Steven partnership. So you just go left to right with that calculation. Even if you have a subtraction symbol here and addition here, just go left to right. You don't have to go this way. Alright, left to right, always left to right with the even Steven. With the even Steven of multiplication and addition and subtraction. Just go left to right. So, if we had a problem, let's say 20 minus, let's see, 4 plus 3 times 2. What would we do first? What's the first thing we would do? Well, I do see that if I'm looking at Pemdas, I see parentheses first. So this is what I'm going to do first, meaning whatever is inside the parentheses is the first thing I'm going to attack. So 4 plus 3, that gives me 7. The next thing to do is always the best thing to do, is to always rewrite your problem so that you have a clear view of what you're looking at. So if I were to rewrite this, I would say 20 minus 7 times 2. Alright, the next thing with Pemdas. I'll get rid of this sheet here. So now I have this. What's the next thing? I did parentheses. I have no exponents. I see multiplication. Yep, here's multiplication. So I can do this. I can make my own parentheses so I know exactly what I'm focusing in on, what I'm concentrating on. 7 times 2. 7 times 2, 14. Again, I'm going to rewrite this so I know what it is that I'm working with. I have 20 minus or negative sign and 14. So I did my multiplication. I don't see any division. I do see, well, I don't see addition, but I do see the even Steven of subtraction. So now it's 20 minus 4 equals 6. So I just solved this. So remember, Pemdas, our order of operation. If you recall, I've always used the example, if we sent engineering calculations or types of formulas, problems to a manufacturing company in China. We told them, okay, solve this equation that will give you the size of the knob for our car radio. Alright? If they didn't do this knob calculation in the Pemdas mode, we might end up having a knob this large. Alright? Would that be the same thing? That would kind of get in the way. If I had a radio that size, knobs, a couple of knobs, that might even interfere with my driving. So this is why we have a standard, a worldwide standard of Pemdas, so that everybody will do the calculations in the same manner, in the same order, so that we all get the same kind of car radio knob.